and wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden...
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Cole. If you're new to my channel, we are in the process of selling our home. We are purchasing a property that has quite a bit of acreage, and we're going to build a tiny home on the property for my parents so they can be close by. So we did have some interest this week, or there is some interest this week, so we're praying that that will be it and we'll be done. I'm ready to be done. But I am kind of going through the house and I'm packing and depleting and decluttering. I guess it's depleting and decluttering is about the same thing. But anyway, so I'm trying to organize in our kitchen, and I thought, hey, I'll bring my friends along so they can see as well. I'm going to work under our kitchen sink because it's horrendous. And then I'm going to do our utensil drawer. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you would please do so, I would greatly appreciate it. We've got a lot of content coming your way with this purchase of our new home, building of my parents' home, and I'm gonna bring y'all along. So grab your cup of coffee, let's get started. All right, once again, when I open this drawer, there's no judging, okay? So what I have watched is she says, take everything out of your drawers or the cabinet that you're working on. And if y'all could see this drawer, these are huge drawers. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to so this is the drawer. I have packed up some things out of it, but it's still kind of dysfunctional. So I thought I would kind of take everything out. So I've got trevets and aprons, and oh my gosh, at the crumbs, y'all. Look at those crumbs. And why do I have all of this? You know, it's amazing how much you accumulate just throwing stuff in a drawer, throwing it in a drawer. I probably need to buy some more items to kind of get everything separated, like containers or such, but I haven't done that just yet. Now, I did do it for underneath the sink because I knew it needed it. So I'm going to empty this drawer completely. That's how she said do it. Don't even think about it. Just empty it. And then I'm going to clean it out really good. So I'm going to share this with you all. Dyson is not paying me to do this, but I won this at work. Actually, I got points, and then I was able to pick out something I wanted, and I bought this Dyson. And y'all, it's got it's got 3 attachments. It's got the long wand. It's got the, I believe this is called the upholstery cleaner, and then, you know, to get into the corners. But this thing is amazing. I love it. It was worth it for me. So I love, you know, it's so light. I can turn it on high, like maximum suction, or I can turn it lower to save power, but I'm gonna vacuum out this drawer. Like I said, I probably need to buy some containers for this, but I really don't want to do that just yet because, you know, we're moving. So there's really no sense in buying a bunch of containers and it doesn't fit in the new drawers. So I'm going to put my trevets back, and I think I'm going to put this one on the bottom. And if I don't need something, I'm chunking it. A cheese thing, yeah, I'll need that. Let's kind of go through this. Can opener, I guess I need that. Bottle opener. Pizza cutter. Now that can go in a different drawer. Who uses these things? I don't even use these. Hardly ever do I use these. All right, trash. Look at that. That's trash. Trash. So this is a little container I bought from Sam's. They actually come in a pack and they've got little lids on them. If you do your like food prep for the week, that's what a lot of people use these for. But what I was going to use them for is to put these like utensils that you don't want like scattered all over your drawer. I do have a scales. Why? I don't know, but I'm going to keep it because we are going to start with our diet once we move to the new house. You see that big thumbs up? All right, and then just this other little odds and ends stuff that we have to keep. That is a candy thermometer. I could probably box these up. These are my great-grandmother's. And I do keep my aprons down in there and my measuring cups. All right, and then on this side I had my utensils and I kind of cleaned out. And what I love about this thing is that it is expandable. So if I didn't have all of these huge things, I could shut this area up and just put it here. But I love it expanded. Yeah, I can expand it all the way out. Like I said, this isn't perfect, but it's better than it was. I think I'm going to move on underneath the kitchen sink, and I'm just going to let y'all watch me. I'm not going to talk to you this time, but I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video, and thank y'all so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys, I'm going to open this cabinet. Once again, no judgment. Look at all that stuff. You know, the day we moved into this house, it was so chaotic, and I just threw stuff under there. But we're going to get it organized together and cleaned out.
Come out and play. It's Saturday. And I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away. 'Cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me the old kind of new way? Love me like yesterday. I'm sure messed up, not once or twice. I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? Think open kind of new way. Open kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
These items in this cabinet under the sink I did purchase from Dollar General. The one on the far left, I kept the lid to it because you had to buy the lid with it, and I didn't want to discard it. So I paid $7 for the larger container, and then the two little plastic gray buckets, I believe, were $2 at Dollar General. And the other one on the other side I had already had, so I thought I would just use that. I believe in the new house I'm going to be more organized, and we'll do all that together. But I just wanted to let y'all know where I got these particular baskets.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh,